Want to create a free website quickly and easily? In this video, I'll show you how to create a website using Blogger in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, go to blogger.com and click on Create Your Blog. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create a Google account for free. Enter a title for your website. This will be your site's name. Next, choose a unique web address or URL. If the URL is taken, try another. Type your display name, which serves as your public identity on blogger.com. It appears whenever you publish posts, leave comments, or interact on the platform. Unlike your email address or login name, the display name is what other users see as your author name. It personalizes your blog and makes it recognizable to your audience. You can choose to use your real name, a nickname, or any pseudonym you prefer. Now, it's time to make your website look great. Head over to the Theme section in the sidebar. Here, you can select a design that fits your style. In Blogger, a theme refers to the design template that determines the overall appearance and layout of your blog. It includes elements like fonts, colors, backgrounds, header and footer styles, and the arrangement of content on your pages. Themes allow you to customize the visual appeal and user experience of your blog, helping to align it with your personal style or brand identity. Blogger offers a variety of pre-designed themes, which you can further customize using the built-in theme editor. Advanced users can also modify the HTML and CSS of the theme for more extensive customization. Choosing the right theme is essential to make your blog visually appealing, user-friendly, and reflective of your content's purpose. Now scroll down and select a theme for your website. If you want to preview a theme before applying it, simply click on the Preview option. This will allow you to see how your website will look with the selected theme. Now click on Customize to change the theme background image, colors, fonts, and layout. Once you finish customization, click on the Save option. Click here to go back. Now click on Apply. Now let's add some content to our website to make it more engaging and informative. First, we'll create some static pages, starting with essential ones like About Us, Contact Us, and Privacy Policy. To do this, simply click on Pages in your dashboard, then select Add New Page. Now type About Us as the title. This page is where you can tell your audience about your website. Here, you can provide details about the organization, company, or individual behind the website. Use this space to introduce your brand, share your story, and build trust with your audience. Once you're done, click on Publish. Now that your About Us page is ready, it's time to repeat this process for your other static pages. Just click Add New Page to start creating your next page. For example, you can create a Contact Us page to provide visitors with ways to reach you. Next, create a Privacy Policy page to outline how you handle user data. This is an essential page for building trust and complying with regulations. And there you have it. Your static pages are set up and ready to go. Great job. Now, let me show you how to add blog posts or articles to your site. First, click on Posts, then select New Post. Start by typing the title of your post, followed by the content in the editor. If you'd like to include an image, click on the image icon, select Upload from Computer, then browse and choose an image from your device. To add a video, click on the Video option and either upload a video from your computer or embed one from YouTube. Once you've added all your content and are satisfied with the post, simply click Publish to make it live. Great job on publishing your first post. Now, let's add some more posts to your blog to keep it engaging. Now, if you want View Your Blog, click here. And that's how you create a website using Blogger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.